Question number 301. Which of the following works of John Milton is an elegy? Options: Lycidas, El Allegro, Camus, Paradise Lost. Correct answer, option number A, Lycidas. Lycidas, written by John Milton 1637 and published 1638 on the death of Edward King. Next question. Haunted castles, strange noises, and acceptance of the supernatural with all its trappings mark. This is the example of metafiction, gothic fiction, epistolary fiction, non-fiction. Correct answer, option number B, gothic fiction. Gothic fiction is a genre first established with the publication of Horace Walpole, Walpole, Walpole's The Castle of Otranto, published 1764. Next question. Who among the following Indian writers in English created the identity we will imagine locally? Options: Mulk Raj Anand, Raja Rao, R.K. Narayan, Anita Desai. Correct answer, option number C, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan's full name: Rashipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. So born 1906 and died 2001. Next question. Who among the following is not formalist critic? Options: Alan Tate, Stanley Fish, Clint Brooks, William Ampson. Correct answer, option number B, Stanley Fish. Its full name: Stanley Eugene Fish, born 1938 in USA. He is an American literary critic and associated with the reader response criticism. Next question. The rhyme scheme of the Spenserian sonnet is: Spenserian sonnet rhyme scheme ABAB, BCBC, CDCD, EE. So a correct answer, option number D. Spenserian sonnet comprises a three interlock with 4 lines and 1 couplet with 2 lines. Who among the following Marlovian characters is consumed by greed? Options: Barabbas, Tamburlaine, Dr. Faustus, Mephistopheles. Correct answer, option number A, Barabbas. Barabbas is the Jewish merchant in the Jew of Malta. Jew of Malta, written by Christopher Marlowe. It is a play. The plan of Arthurian stories has influenced the composition of Tennyson's. Options: In Memoriam, Ideals, Maud, Locksley Hall. Correct answer, option number B, Ideals. Ideals of King, published between 1859 to 1885, is a cycle of the 12 narrative poems written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Tennyson born 1809 and died 1892. Next question. Put these novels in the correct sequence. These novels written by Charles Dickens: Great Expectation, Hard Time, Bleak House, and Tale of Two Cities. So Great Expectation written 1860 and Hard Time written 1854. Bleak House written 1853 and Tale of Two Cities written 1859. So here correct sequence, option number D, 3, 2, 4, 1. The final version of The Wasteland contained total lines. Options: 334 lines, 433, 400, 300. So correct answer, option number B, 433 lines in The Wasteland. Wasteland, written by T.S. Eliot, published 1922. It is written in the free words form and the blank words. Wasteland poem divided into 5 parts. Which of the following by novels V.S. Naipaul set in Africa and carries echoes of Joseph Conrad's? Option: The Mystic Measure, A Bend in the River, A House for Mr. Viswas, The Mimic Man. Correct answer, option number B, A Bend in the River. Bend in the River, it is a story of a merchant, Slim. It is a story of the Slim. Slim is a merchant, published in 1979, mid-20th century. So set in Africa. It was shortlisted for the Booker Prize in 1979. In The Rape of the Lock, Belinda's lapdog's name. Options: Luck, Fluck, Muck, and Shock. Correct answer option number D, Shock. Lapdog's name is Shock. So Rape of the Lock, it is a mock heroic poem written by Alexander Pope. Published 1712. The main protagonist Belinda. Belinda is a wealthy woman and very pretty. Next question. Which of the following Tennyson's poem is a dramatic monologue? Options: In Memoriam, The Charge of the Light Brigade, Crossing the Bar, Tithonus. Correct answer option number D, Tithonus. Tithonus is a poem written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Tennyson born 1809 and died 1892. First published in the Cornhill magazine 1860. Next question. Molly Bloom is a character in James Joyce which work? Option: Ulysses, a portrait of the artist as a young man, Dubliners, Exiles. Correct answer option number A, Ulysses. The Molly Bloom is a fictional character in main Ulysses. Ulysses written 1922. It's a novel written by James Joyce. Eliot uses the term objective correlative in his which work? Options: The Metaphysical Poets, Tradition and Individual Talent, Hamlet, and Dante. Correct answer option number C, Hamlet. Objective correlative is a term popularized by T.S. Eliot in his essay Hamlet and His Problem, published 1920. Next question. Seamus Heaney was awarded Nobel Prize in which year? Option: 1994, 1996, 1997, 1995. Correct answer option number D, 1995. Seamus Heaney, its full name Seamus Justin Heaney. He is an Irish poet, playwright and translator also. He was born 1939 and died 2013. The pamphlets on the Irish condition and address to the Irish people was composed by options: W. Yeats, P.B. Shelley, Jonathan Swift, G.B. Shaw. Correct answer option number B, P.B. Shelley. Full name: Percy Bysshe Shelley, wrote the pamphlet and published 1812. P.B. Shelley born 1792 and died 1822. Verses on the Death of Dr. Swift is written by options: Alexander Pope, Samuel Johnson, John Gay, Jonathan Swift. Correct answer option number D, Jonathan Swift. Verses on the Death written by Jonathan Swift in 1731 and published 1739. Next question. Widowed Houses was written by option: Oscar Wilde, T.S. Eliot, John Galsworthy, G.B. Shaw. Correct answer option number D, G.B. Shaw. Widowed Houses written by G.B. Shaw. Full name: George Bernard Shaw. Its first premiere 9 December 1892 at a Royalty Theatre. Next question. MacFlecknoe is an attack on Dryden's literary rival. Options: Thomas Shadwell, John Wilmot, Matthew Prior, Richard Flecknoe. Correct answer option number A, Thomas Shadwell. So MacFlecknoe is a mock heroic style written by Dryden and published 1682. Next question. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner is about options: The Perilous Adventure in the Sea, The Accidental Killing of an Octopus, The Curse of a Sea Goat, The Guilt and Expiation of the Ancient Mariner. So here correct answer: The Rime of Ancient Mariner is about the guilt and expiation of the ancient mariner. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge and published 1798 with the lyrical ballad. It is the longest major poem. Next question. Two Daffodils is a poem written by options: Robert Herrick, William Wordsworth, John Keats, P.B. Shelley. Correct answer option number A, Robert Herrick. Robert Herrick is a 17th century English lyric poet and cleric. He is best known for his work Hesperides. Hesperides is a book of poems. Next question. James Joyce The Exile is the option short story, poem, play, novel. Correct answer option number C, play. James Joyce only one play, Exiled. Exile published 1918. Next question. Samuel Beckett's Waiting for Godot has option 3 acts, 5 acts, 4 acts, 2 acts. Correct answer option number D, 2 acts. Waiting for the Goddess, written by Samuel Beckett. Two main characters, Vladimir deity, Vladimir is a deity, and second Estragon. Estragon is a go-go. The term egotistical sublime was coined. Option S.T. Coleridge, John Keats, William Wordsworth, William Hazlitt. Correct answer option number B, John Keats. Egotistical sublime coined by John Keats in a letter addressed to his friend Richard Woodhouse. Richard Woodhouse in 1818. Next question. Which of the following poem by Keats uses a Spenserian stanza? Option Endymion, The Fall of Hyperion, The Eve of St. Aegis, The Lamia. Correct answer option number C, The Eve of St. Aegis. Spenserian stanza is a verse form, consists of 8 iambic pentameter lines and followed the 9 line of 6 feet, 6 iambic feet. So rhyme scheme is AB AB, BC BC and C. AB AB, BC BC and C.